Welcome to Crypto CJ's Trade of the Day. Today I'm going to talk about how I use Altcoin Alert, an AA score, to find 3 profitable trades in the Stellar coin, ticker XLM. I use the XLM up leverage token in Binance. But let's go to Altcoin Alert and check out that AA score. Okay, so here we are on the Altcoin Alert site yesterday morning. Regrettably, I didn't think ahead to make a screenshot, but XLM was up here in the top 5. Had a very bullish score of 97.4, I believe. And I also had another good score with XLM this morning in the 80s. And I think I can show that to you. Yeah, here it is, Stellar XLM. Bullish of 77.9. It was 88.4 this morning. So high scores today and yesterday. Maybe you want to trade this coin. Let's go to the XLM up chart. So I'm using the 15-minute chart because I want to show you the 3 trades all on one screen. So yesterday morning, this is what I see at 8:44 a.m. I've got a very high score of 97.4 plus trending candle action above the SMA line, though this is the 15-minute chart. I was looking at the 5. But regardless, the coin is trending up. I go ahead and get in at 16.403. And all I'm looking for is a quick 5% back to where it was earlier in the morning at around 4 in the morning. The coin does that fairly quickly. I set my sell order at 17.275 and I'm out 15 minutes later. I've got 5.212% profit. So 5% in 15 minutes, loving that as a day trader. So the day goes on and then we have the big Bitcoin drop, about 8 to 9% right here around 1 o'clock Pacific time. I remember that I've traded this coin and done well with it. So when I see signs of a recovery from Bitcoin, I come over to XLM and I get back in. And I want to show you that on the 5-minute chart because this is a sort of an exception to the 1, 2, 3 dip rule I want to talk about. So a lot of times we talk about waiting for a third dip before buying, but we have crashing dips like this. On Bitcoin, this was around 8% in this time frame. So for the altcoins, that's going to be double or triple. So 8% is going to be 15 to 25%. Plus, this is a leverage token, so that's even more of an effect. From here to here is 37% drop. So, loving this as a day trader who likes to trade dips. I see a couple of these candles trending back up, and I get in. So I'm in on this XLM trade here at 12.337. That's 1:18 p.m. And then I go to lunch and I come back. I didn't even set a sell order. I was curious on how far it would go. I knew I was going to be away from my computer for a little while. And I come back and I see that it's gone up to 13.020 in about an hour. I've got 5.431%. I'm content with that. So I go ahead and check out. So now I've got 2 trades of over 5%. So this morning I get up and I see that XLM is still showing a really strong AA score of over 80. So I'm a little late to this. I would have liked to have caught it here when it was trending up, and I catch it towards the end of the trend. This is a bit risky, actually, but I buy this at 14.092 at 9:12 a.m. AA score is 88.4. And why I feel good about buying this a little late is because this coin still hasn't recovered to where it was the prior day before the Bitcoin drop. It's made some progress, but it's not there yet. So I set a pretty aggressive sell order of 15.9, which is right about where the token was before it dropped. It was at 16.1 actually. So, but I go a little bit below that for 15.9. And an hour later, I'm good to go. 10:13, I'm out of this trade with 12.732% profit. So I've got 3 profitable trades in this off 1, maybe 2 AA scores in a 26-hour period. So Good stuff. And I put this green ray here to show that even though I do some swing trading and some long-term holds, one of the reasons I prefer day trading to those is you can get in and out of trades, stack up some small profits, even though the coin overall is trending down. See, had I stayed in this coin when I first bought it the first time at 16.403, it never did make it back to 16.4. It got close here, about 16.288, but then it's been trending down ever since. So I'd still be in that trade. But using these day trading, tactics and evaluations and using resistance, on a short time frame to determine where I exit really helps me get in and out of trades with, I'm usually looking for 3 to 5%, and then on a big dip, double digits in those situations, especially with these leveraged tokens. Well, that's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources listed in the comments below. They help support this channel. I will see you next time. Bye.